Happy birthday, Goody. Because it's my birthday. It's my happy birthday. Good afternoon, guys. It is July 14th, my birthday eve. Just got off from work. The time is 5:21. We are heading to buy my cake, and I don't know, I'm always excited for my birthdays because I love my birthday. So let's go buy cake and celebrate my birthday eve, and I'm also going to celebrate my birthday tomorrow. So I'm gonna buy 2 cakes, but I'm gonna cut both cakes, one for myself and one for Goody. And Sanjay is going to have just 1 cake. The portion size of their cake is quite small, so it is good for 1 person. So yeah, that. I'm gonna buy this white chocolate raspberry, and Sanjay's gonna buy.
Last time you were about it.
Okay guys, so we bought our cakes. This one is for office, and these ones are for us. Let's go. These are our cakes. This is white chocolate, raspberry, and Sanjay's cake is Hershey's, which looks yum. We are going to have our cakes with milk with kesar. Yeah. So I am going to just enjoy my birthday cake with hot milk. How's your cake, Sanjay? Nice. I'm just gonna dig in. So good. It's like heaven. We're not sure when we had last time cake. It's like heaven, Sanjay. Come enjoy your cake. What is it?
Well, family.
It is. Oh, flowers. Why would you do this? Where did you get them? Suna? Where from did you get it, Papa? Okay guys, so this is the gift that I got from Sanjay. Let me show you. And we got it from Costco. It was completely surprising. And roses and a nice fine champagne. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Babu. Vase in here because this is our temporary residency. So I'm gonna put this in the jug. Because it's my birthday. It's my happy birthday. Happy birthday, Goody. Thank you, Babu. This table. I'm gonna put this on that table. Oh, okay. So this is our parcel. This service is only available in America. Finished our goal of walking 6,000 steps, I think. Nice, nice. Cheers. Let me try now. It's good. It's not that sweet, it's nice. Okay, so this was my simple birthday. since it was mid of the week, Wednesday, so I did not book off for my birthday. But anyways, we are planning to celebrate it on Saturday again and again and again. So I'm gonna celebrate my birthday on Saturday. I'm gonna dress up nicely because I ordered clothes from one of the Pakistani brands, but it is still on the way, so I'm gonna receive that parcel tomorrow. I did not receive it on my birthday, so I'm gonna dress up on Saturday when we are moved to our other temporary location until we find our own until we get our own home, because it is still under the construction. So anyways, that was super simple celebration of my birthday, and yeah, we are going to enjoy this champagne a little bit because we have work tomorrow. I got the Pakistani clothes. That's it. I'm super excited. And this time I have ordered from Maria B. So total I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dresses. Good evening, guys. Okay, it is Saturday today. So today we are packing to go to another temporary place which we have rented for 1.5 months until our home is ready. That place is also really nice. That is 2-bedroom place. Final walkthrough. This is good as well. Good. Yeah. Okay, everything is good. Sanjay, our new plant. My Siddharth. Okay, all good. And I am taking these flowers with me in this container. We don't have vase right now, so yeah, nice. Now it's time to leave, and the time right now is 9:30. So let's go to our new temporary home, and I will see you guys later. And we are going to put back their treats because we don't eat junk. Sorry to say, but yeah, extremely harmful for your health. Those. Let's go. Bye bye, home. Thank you, home. This is our unit. Key, please. Okay guys, so this is the entrance. As soon as you enter, this is the living room. This is kitchen. All the essentials we have in here. Coffee machine, toaster, microwave, stove, fridge and freezer. Now let me show you the bedrooms. This is basically 2-bedroom apartment. This is storage. First bedroom, huh? This is bathroom. Just try to do something in. We have a lot of storage in here. Okay. Okay, so I made chicken pulao. Aloo kaddu as well. Dal is ready. Nice.